Hello and welcome. Today's topic is India China LAC standoff. PM Modi reviews situation with NSA, CDS, and service chiefs. As the ongoing border standoff with China in Ladakh heightened, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday met National Security Advisor NSA Ajit Doval, Chief of Defence Staff CDS General Vipin Rawat, and the three service chiefs to discuss the matter. As per updates, PM Modi had separately met Foreign Secretary Harshvardhan Shringla to discuss the issue. The meeting of PM Modi comes an hour after Defence Minister Rajnath Singh met three service chiefs over the matter. A series of meetings comes at a time when the Chinese and Indian troops have been at loggerhead in Sikkim and Ladakh over the infrastructure project. As per updates from satellite pictures, Beijing was trying to expand an airbase near Ladakh. Close shots have been revealed deployment of fighter jets on the tarmac. On Monday, the neighboring country had issued a notice on its embassy website offering to fly back its citizens from India who wanted to return home in the wake of coronavirus. During his meetings, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh reviewed a ground situation in Ladakh. He was also briefed about the Indian response to the Chinese troops' mobilization. It was clarified during the meeting that the Indian Army will hold its fort as talks to defuse the situation would continue in parallel. In the meantime, six rounds of talks between India and China troops have been held since the first border skirmish on May 5 have failed to de-escalate tensions as the two sides have maintained aggressive posturing in the disputed border areas. During the meeting with Defence Minister, it was also decided that the road construction must continue and Indian fortifications and troop deployment must match those of the Chinese. Prior to this, the Indian Army and China's People Liberation Army held several meetings to resolve the situation in the eastern Ladakh at the Line of Actual Control LAC. However, no breakthrough was reported till Monday. The earlier meetings were held on Sunday, but many things remained unresolved, and more commander level talks are likely to resolve the issues. As per updates, there has been a troop build on both sides, and that there are at least three places where has been an eyeball to eyeball situation since May 5. Both sides have deployed over 1,000 troops at four places along the line of actual control. This disengagement took place in eastern Ladakh after troops come to blows on May 5 and were involved in a face-off till the morning of May 6, when troops from both sides clashed, leaving several injured. Today, after the Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Defence Minister Rajnath Singh met top military leaders to escalating border tension between Indian and Chinese troops, General VK Singh on Wednesday said making dispute in Ladakh is a way to create a distraction by the neighboring country. He said that China is under scrutiny and the whole world is accusing them of spreading coronavirus. And moreover, many companies are shifting from China to other countries at this time of crisis. The statement from Singh comes a day after PM Modi held a meeting with National Security Advisor Ajit Doval, Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat, and the three service chiefs, with a focus on bolstering India's military preparedness to deal with external security challenges. As per updates, the military leaders have apprised PM Modi about the evolving situation in eastern Ladakh. NSA Doval has been closely monitoring the evolving situation along the LAC in Ladakh as well as in North Sikkim and Uttarakhand. However, it was learned that India will not stop infrastructure development projects in the strategic areas along the nearly 3,500 km Sino-India border, now withstanding China's well-coordinated efforts to stall them by attempting to vitiate the situation in areas like eastern Ladakh. The situation in eastern Ladakh came down after around 250 Chinese and Indian soldiers were engaged in a violent face-off on the evening of May 5, which spilled over to the next day before the two sides agreed to disengage following a meeting at the level of local commanders. On the other hand, China said that the situation at the border with India is overall stable and controllable, and both the countries have proper mechanism and communication channel to resolve the issues through dialogue and consultation. The comments by the Foreign Ministry spokesman came in the backdrop of the continuing standoff between the militaries of India and China at the line of actual control. Foreign Ministry spokesperson Zhao Lijian, during a media briefing, said that China's position on the border related issues is clear and consistent. We have been following the important consensus reached by the two leaders and strictly observing the agreements between the two countries, he said.